Hytech Didactic Hydraulic Excavator system is an automation module which can be integrated with any electro-hydraulic training kit. Fully operational excavator system is equipped with hydraulic solenoid valves for cylinder and hydraulic motor operation. Cylinders as well as hydraulic motor are permanently piped with the solenoid valves. Solenoid valves can be actuated with the help of 2 mm banana patch cords. User is expected to provide pressure and tank connections to the excavator from the existing hydraulic power pack to activate the system. Excavator training kit can be operated from relay-based electrohydraulic system or PLC-based electrohydraulic system. User can have a hands-on experience on the industrial applications of electrohydraulic systems with the help of hydraulic excavator systems.